There's this one right here. All right, let's get inside here before the music gets on us. Original Westinghouse AE.
Look at this. Reminds me of living big Hawaii.
This is awesome. I'm so glad I came here.
You're welcome.
Love that dinner bell.
Look at this. They still have this. Yes.
We'll watch the numbers going up.
Still 18. They actually made it
fixtures.
code compliant too. Well, not code compliant, but ADA compliant.
It sure is. This is a nice elevator, and we're stopping to pick people up. Come down? You can come in.
Yes.
I'm gonna go up to watch the numbers and come back down. Go ahead, you guys. All right, thank you so much. All right, let's go up to 9. Let's close the door before we get a copyright. Let's wait for the door to close. All right, let's watch the numbers. Here we go. Stopping at 7, and we're gonna be picking someone up. Going up? Your floor?
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Oh, the phone's right there. Just got your... It won't open. I'm just doing a video of the elevator. It's from the 80s. Have a good day.
Yeah, nice.
Go ahead and set it down to 1. We'll be into the lobby right there. Listen to that generator.
Universal indicator. Not indicator, but
Your position indicator.
yeah. Or we call POS.
PI. Oh my gosh, look at that door. You can come in. Press 4, please. In case you're wondering, I'm just an elevator enthusiast. These are 1980s Westinghouse elevators. Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Yeah.
Look in the ceiling. Who do you see? Hi. All right, I'm gonna turn my camera off when we stop at the lobby because there's loud music playing outside there. All right, and that'll be it.